Okay then guys, just a little something I want to show you now, cutting out a catapult blank on the bandsaw from 18mm multiplex. When I first had the bandsaw I couldn't use it at all, to be honest. I couldn't keep to the line or anything, but I'll show you how much I've improved now. I'll be able to cut this out on the line and you won't even see the line when I've finished it, so we'll get cutting. Zoom out, and there you go folks. As you can see, the line which I cut on has totally disappeared. Every part of that catapult was cut spot on the line. So there you go folks. I've learned how to use the bandsaw a bit better in the last 6 months, but I do cut loads out every day, and I suppose practice makes perfect. The blade I'm using is a 1/8 inch wide scroll blade. Any blades wider than that won't make the turns like these ones in the cup and at the top. So that's about it. Cheers, thanks for watching.